Hi everyone, welcome back to Homebody. This is Forlisa. So in this video, I'm taking part in an open collab that's hosted by Lacee's Space. If you have not stopped by Lacee's channel, I have her channel below as well as the playlist of the other participants. Lacee asked that we chose 3 to 5 DIY favorite objects and present in this video. I chose to use my DIY wreath that I did in a recent collaboration. This is one of my favorites because I did not know how the wreath was going to turn out, and it actually turned out super cute and so glamorous. I'm actually going to be presenting 2 more items in this video. Okay you guys, so the next item is the garland that I placed on my family room mantle area. I think it's so cute, and it really fits in with my home holiday decor. Okay you guys, the last item that I'm going to share with you guys is my welcome centerpiece. I really love this. I use all Dollar Tree items to create it except for the burlap that's behind the welcome sign. I think it's so cute and so my style. Thank you guys for clicking on the play for this video, and I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Bye!